as the condition is not satisfying here, okay, so we need to modify the design. Okay, so we will modify the design now. So see here this is the design process that we have seen, and we have reached here. Okay, so yes, here. Okay, so we have reached here. Our condition for safety is SW should be greater than or equal to factor of safety into P effective. Now if it is yes, then your design pair is safe. We have to stop. Now in this case it is no. Okay, so when the design is unsafe, in this case we need to modify the design. So we are having some options like increase module, increase phase width, increase BHN, or increase accuracy level. And again you have to go here, and you have to calculate the dimensions of the gear pair. Then you have to calculate SB, SW, or whatever. SW we need here, so SW and PT, then PD, then P effective, then again is W is lower, so we need to calculate here. Okay, so if suppose here SW is lower, then we need to go here and we have to check whether SW is greater than or equal to factor of safety into P effective. If it is yes, then we have to stop. If it is no, again we have to repeat. Okay, so we will do the same thing here. So now we will modify the design. Okay, so here in previous case the module was 6 mm. So next standard value after 6 is 8 mm. So we have now 8 mm module. So according to module we need to write the dimensions of the gear pair. Dimensions, like your module will be 8 mm. Then ZP is same 20. ZG is also same 48. Then DP is M into ZP. So if you put here M as 8 and ZP is 20, so you will get DP as 160 mm. Then DG is equal to MZG. So again here 384 mm. Then A is DP plus DG divided by 2. So here 272 mm. Then addendum, one module 8 mm, dedendum 1.25 module is equal to 10 mm. So these are the dimensions of the gear pair. Now we have to check again whether these dimensions are okay or not. Okay, so for safety of the gear pair, again we need to calculate P effective. Okay, so for P effective we need CA, CM, PT plus PD. Okay, so we need here PD. So now we'll go for PD 21V in bracket CEB plus PT max divided by 21V plus under root CEB plus PT max. Okay, so this is the formula of PD. Now here velocity, as the module is changed, the velocity is changed, everything is now changed. Okay, most of the things are changed here. So we'll calculate one by one. So velocity is nothing but we are having in terms of module. So if you put the value of module here into 8, so you will get velocity as 12.064 meter per second. Then PT is nothing but power by velocity. So your power is same but velocity is changed, so you will get PT as, or we are having PT in terms of module also, divided by module. So we will calculate, we'll put here the value of module, so we will get PT. Then after that PT max is equal to CA, CM, PT. Okay, so here PT max we will get 1.5 into 1.4 into PT is Newton, so we will get PT max as 3481.42 Newton. Then C is same for steel gear and steel pinion. C is equal to 11500. Now pitch error for IT grade 7, it is 11 plus 0.9 module plus 0.25 under root D. Okay, so similarly you have to calculate EP and EG. EP here put here DP, EG put here DG. So after calculating your EP is 21.046 micrometer, and after calculating EG is 22.6 micrometer. Okay, so then your summation of pitch error EP plus EG is equal to 43.65 micrometer. So you have to multiply it by 10 raised to minus 3 to convert it in mm. Okay, then after calculating all these values, we have to put in the formula of PD. So after substituting this all values in the formula of PD, you will get PD is equal to, I am directly writing here the value of PD, 27234 Newton. Okay, then after getting PD, now your P effective. So P effective is equal to PT max plus PD. So it is 30716.27 Newton. Then after that SW we need to calculate. So again SW we have in terms of module, so we need to calculate SW. So SW we are having 664.09 module square. So if you substitute here the value of module, so you will get SW as 42448.64 Newton. Now we have to again check whether SW is greater than or equal to factor of safety into P effective. Okay, so condition for safety is SW should be greater than or equal to factor of safety into P effective. Okay, so here SW is 42448.64 greater than or equal to factor of safety is 1.35 into P effective is 0.27. Okay, so after calculation you will get this as 41466.96. Now here it is this 42448.64 is greater than this one. Okay, so now condition is satisfying, means your gear pair is safe and you have to stop here. Okay, thank you.